Small businesses are the #1 target for cybercriminals in 2026, and most don't even realize they're at risk. A single cyber attack can cost thousands or even shut your business down. But the good news: you don't need to be a tech expert to protect your business. Today, I'll show you 10 easy steps that will make your small business cyber safe and ready for the threats of 2026. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we break down cybersecurity in a simple, practical way for beginners, business owners, and professionals. No fear tactics. No unnecessary jargon. Just clear steps you can take today. 10 easy cybersecurity steps. 1. Use strong, unique passwords. No more 123,456 or password. 2. Enable multi-factor authentication. MFA adds a layer hackers can't bypass. 3. Keep software and devices updated. Patching vulnerabilities is critical. 4. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Strong passwords and encryption are a must. 5. Regular backups. Store off-site or in the cloud. Test restore processes. 6. Train employees. Phishing and social engineering awareness. 7. Limit access. Employees only get access to systems they need. 8. Use endpoint protection and firewalls. Monitor devices for threats. 9. Monitor and respond. Track suspicious activity and respond quickly. 10. Have a cybersecurity plan. Incident response saves time and money. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be complicated. By following these 10 steps, your small business can stay safe from cyber attacks in 2026. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below, which step will you implement first? Subscribe for more simple, actionable cybersecurity tips.